Welcome to Kitchen ABCs. Thank runs us so much for being our sponsor. Do you know what holiday's coming up? Well, some people celebrate Easter. Well, we have a great Easter show for you today. And did you know that the Easter Bunny is coming to the Omaha Children's Museum? This Friday and Saturday, the Easter Bunny will be here so you can get pictures taken. We also have an egg hunt for you to join in on. Have you dyed your Easter eggs yet? Well, I decided to do that, but I didn't have one of those little kits, so we're going to use the things around your house. Some of this you need an adult help to help you with. I have in here 2 cups of water and a cup of a vegetable. These are beets. Now you can use the ones in the can, or you can use fresh ones. That's what these are, and I just cut them up, put them in here, and they have been simmering for about 20 minutes. So not totally boiling, but just simmering. After that's all over and you have it the color you want, you are going to strain off all of the liquid. Now be careful because it could stain your cabinet or countertop here. Now I already have part of it in a cup here, and you want to get it cooled down. Now what you're going to do is add about a tablespoon of vinegar. That will help set the dye on the egg. So once you have that mixed up, then you put your egg in and you see what happens. Now I've had one in here for about an hour now. What color is that? Oh, it's a beautiful pink. If you leave it in longer, it will turn darker. Let's guess what this was made of. Look at that color. What color is that? It's orange, right? I'm going to show you what we used. We used an onion. This one's a yellow onion. What you do is you take the onion skins and get off as much as you can off maybe 2 onions, and you boil the onion skins with your water on the stove, and then it turns out this beautiful orange color. It doesn't go clear through, so you can actually eat these when you're finished. Let's see with this color. What do you think that is made of? This is red cabbage. I just shredded up about a half of red cabbage and boiled that or simmered that for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, let's find out what color it is. It's a very pale blue right now. I want to show you what happens if you leave it in a little longer. It turns out this color. So if you want them very, very dark, you can put them in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, next guess. This one's a little darker than the red cabbage. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that beautiful purple color. Do you have any guesses what that is? This time it's not a vegetable, it's a fruit. What fruit would turn something that pretty purple? How about blueberries? Take about a cup of blueberries and put it in with your 2 cups of water. Now this one is not a fruit or a vegetable. I went to the spice cabinet, a spice called turmeric. And you also want to boil this just for a few minutes and put about a tablespoon of turmeric in here. Look at that beautiful yellow. Subscribe and like our video so that you can find out what's happening next week. And see you next time.